I am back again, guys, and I'm surprising the world with the crypto software that I found, all right? I've been using this software, and it is making me money hands-free every single day. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm simply doing this for informational purposes only. I'm doing it because I started making money through it, and I thought if I record this every single day, maybe people will get involved and make money too. And yes, I will make a slight commission with the affiliate links down below, and I'll show you how that works. But ultimately, we're all going to make money. So, guys, let me show you first how the software has been doing. So I'm going to move my face to the middle because there's some information I want to show you. So you can see here, this is my account, all right? I'm going to show you the full amount. So over the last week, all right, we have made 38.29%. And I want to show you that this is actually an account. This isn't a screenshot. There is open trades on right now. So for example, BNT to USDT, I have put $174 into this. And if you don't know how this works, guess what? I did not put this money in there myself. The algorithm automatically did it while I was sleeping. Guys, this was done while I was in bed. Yes, I don't wake up till 10 a.m. It was done at 9:35, and I am now in a trade. If this makes money, fantastic. If it doesn't, I trust the algorithm. You can see here, this one's in a loss. If we go to close trades, you will see the majority of every trade that was put on made money. Look at this. All this green is profit, okay? Look at this, 322, 320. There is sometimes, guys, where it will close in a loss. Let me try and find one. It's very hard because it rarely does it. There we go. There's a loss of $4. It doesn't even match up to how much we make. Let me show you again that this is my account, okay? Going to account, I'm going to take off these two bots that I've got. This bot right here is the one that I'm talking about. 8,724, guys. Today, right now, if we stopped at this moment, we would be down 0.49%, and that would not bother me because you should be looking at this weekly or monthly. If we look over the week, I've made 34.01%. Incredible, all right? I am super, super excited about this because there has been over 25 people now over the last week of me recording this come into our Telegram with that link down below and actually start making money for themselves. So, guys, I want to stress this to you very, very clearly. I do not own this bot, but I will get a slight commission if you click the link down below and sign up to Cornix, okay? And when you join my Telegram, I will give you the exact configuration and group that I'm using inside of Cornix so you can make this money too. There is a signals group that I'm making a fortune from that I will give you the option to join as well, okay? Again, this is not my group, but I will make a slight commission for referring you there. I will never refer you to something that isn't making me a stupid amount of money. So I promise you, this is for our benefit. Me, you, and everyone else that's getting involved. I wish I could give you the details of the people that have joined so you can actually see that all these people are making money. But once you come into our Telegram, we'll point you towards the group and you will see it for yourself. Guys, all you have to do is click the links down below. But do me a huge favor. Hit that like button on this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And guys, I will see you tomorrow when I show you more real results.